Hello friends, today I will be teach you on how to create a quiz problem using the C++ programming language. Let's now see the problem we got. Create a quiz problem to test the general now leading for the student of a creation school. In here, the name and the index number should be entered at the start of the quiz and the int. The score and the grade should be displayed along with the student's name and index number. Also, the quiz should be automatically resolved for the next student. Now let's see how to create by using C++. To start the problem, you should enter the relevant code in the int min in bracket 1 function. In here to input the name, index number, answer and score of the user. You have to create several data types using int, string, user the namespace, std, global variable. I will code it now in this way. Now we have the enter the code that enter the username and index number. I will enter that underscore this way. In here the name entered by the user should be saved in program. To do that, we to create a variable user the data type using the namespace. To save the enter name user the variable, we have to use the getLine command. Similarly, we have to save the index number entered by the user under the index number variable. It is stated early that the program should be resolved again and again. To do that, we use while loop in C++. So the coding for this program are code under while loop. By that we can automatically resolve the problem over and over again. Now let's focus on how to code the code to display a MCQ question to the user and the enable him to input this answer. For the basically I will use code get line and to check if the answer is correct to wrong. I will use if else coordination. My first question is what is the Sri Lanka's first lake, and I will type for answer to be displayed to the user in this way. Now let's see how we can input the answer for the user under the answer variable. For that I will use the grade line variation as twice. Let's see now how to check if the answer given by the user is correct or incorrect. For that we use if else condition in C++. By using that we can display correct in the answer is correct and incorrect if the answer is incorrect to the user. If the answer is correct, the 10 points should be added to the score variable, and if the answer is incorrect, 10 points should be discarded from the score variable. This has to be code. Let's now see how we can do it. We have to correct 10 such question is in this winner. Now we have to create a code that generates the grade based on the total score obtained by the user. We can use the if else and switch case of that. I will use the switch case. Let's see how we can use the switch case. By switch case, the total score will be both up. By case, score will be analyzed and given a grade. Now we have created the coding relevant to the quiz program. At the end of the quiz, the name, index number, score and the grade should be displayed the user. For that we can use cut and code it, put and code it at less if the score is above 75, it should be displayed that the student is selected for a scholarship by using if code. The quiz can be entered by using relevant 0. Okay, now we can see this if that's no error in our coding. Now let's see if programming problem operated as our wish. We will enter my name here and my index number on here. Now you can see the first question along with the 4 answers. Now you can see here. For the quiz, the data related to the variable's name, index number, score and the grade is displayed.